gonna be psycho.
Oh no!
Please. Last skimboarding competition of the year. We're here at the XL Skimboards Oktoberfest at Balboa here. Probably my favorite contest of the year because most of the time we get really, really good waves for it. The past few days it looks like people have been getting absolutely tubed here. So I think we're in for a really fun weekend ahead.
How do you think you're gonna do?
I just take it heat by heat. If I get a couple good waves, I'm happy. At the Vic after day one, I got some really good ones. So.
Oh, look at this guy struggling up the hill. Whoa! Where are we, Kelly?
Dude, freaking the moon right now.
Whoa! Is it pumping?
It's pretty insane.
Hey, John. What's your favorite Jimmy Buffett song?
Coconut Telegraph.
On command. Oh yeah, Harold, work it out. Work it. How does it feel?
Feel good. I vibrate high. ¿Cómo se dice vibrando?
High vibrations. High vibrations.
Can you get it up? Oh, nice little ollie over the top.
Oh, redemption from the last wave.
Down here right in front. Can he get under the hood?
Nice early turn.
Sliding barrel for Crosby with
The Grom's biggest fan.
We got Colton going out front. This one's stacking up. 360 out. Hit.
Colt's just ripping right now.
Colt's sick. Crosby got a couple good ones too.
Yeah. This angle is my favorite. Oh, Cole! Cole's doing it.
Red going left. Blue going
Doubles.
Oh my God.
Moving with him. TJ's got it. Oh! TJ.
That was insane.
Man turn.
Here. Out here right in front. Super sliding out.
That was sick. Of course, the one I didn't play. That's why we got Skylar.
Blair, that's you when you're an old man.
When I start graying.
All right, Joel backing him up.
Dang, Via.
Out front, pumping.
Next up, we're going to need a
Aussie boy.
That was a good turn.
Yeah, so that represents the wrong.
Some golf claps.
I got money on that guy.
Pearled. Pearled.
It's not looking good for me.
Oh my, this one's gonna be psycho.
Oh no!
Please. Oh! What? Yes! She just laid out.
That was insane.
Holy moly.
I'm filming. For YouTube.
Bring on Skid Kids.
Oh, way up at the top.
Those look like they're still working pretty good.
He's strong.
Oh my god.
I'm making money, Blair.
Victory lap right now. Oh my, oh my. Oh no, oh no. Kid's got problems.
What the heck?
Whoa, your mom made these? Thank you.
Can I have one after all?
Whoa.
Yeah! Cheers. This looks legit. Gio. Cheers to Gio.
Gio, do you have money on anybody winning the contest? No? Not a big gambler?
Back up here.
Sometimes at horse racing with my dad.
Riders, how we feeling?
Horse race.
I don't do it very. I only do like 30 bucks.
Dang!
My guy.
We put more money than you did on horses. Yeah. Dude, we got a free heat together, huh? United.
Zach, my hero. Zach, you're my hero. He doesn't even know. Zach, who's gonna win?
Oh, we're in the skim competition again, and we just drove here. Nice.
Did you see that?
I saw it. That was ridiculous.
Dane Cameron, he's such a bad boy.
Oh.
Take it off.
Bad boy day.
Bad boy Dane. Are you pretty nervous? The competition's pretty stiff, Blair.
It is. I actually have a really gnarly first seat. Tim and our boy Jack, who we were just talking about, Brandon.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that's a good one.
I like all those dudes. I might be first round clowning.
Back to the prelims for you. Every time I come over here, you're going to be doing a different workout.
Monday? I tried like
Fly away.
Yeah,
You getting warmed up for your airs, yeah.
practicing.
I got $5 on the Valencia Bros.
$5? In Mexico,
So-
like.
Yeah, so don't put me out, dude.
Yeah, chill.
So we're gonna go up here, right on the sunrise.
You got next?
What should I do? Message to Webski?
Where is Weber? Where is Weber?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Thank you. Yeah,
I heard Zach Henderson's here. You hear that?
I know him.
You know that guy?
Yeah. Now when he falls, I don't know him.
No.
Priority, Thailand.
Ooh, Zach.
Alright, we got a red. Looks like Zach, side of here, backside.
Looks like we got a little wave coming in. Any takers?
Gonna go right out front. That was Zach. 4 minutes and 20 seconds on the clock.
So if you're just tuning in right now, this
Look, Paolo. He's not gonna miss a moment. He is just locked in.
Tyler with that last ride giving him the third score jumps in first.
There's his clone.
sophisticated. Oh, Dookie!
Tell me a joke.
Why the chicken cross the road?
Why?
3 minutes and 30 seconds on the board. Looks like maybe some waves are going to be coming in. I see a little something new. A lot of speed. Oh, nice little. Oh. 40 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that was sketchy McGetchy right
awesome.
there. Oh.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Steve, you want to make a bet?
Yeah, what's your bet?
I'll put $5 on Dane Cameron.
Beach house in
Put 5 on you.
family.
Oh, I have 5 on you here in another bet.
So visit with them and go skim.
Deal.
That's a deal.
Skate Kids correspondent. My name is Winifred, head reporter for Let's Party.
Hey, I'm Mason. It's nice to interview with you today.
Did you catch some good air out there, dog?
Ooh, today I did not catch too much air, but I caught some good waves.
Who are you cheering for? Blair. Blair Conklin. Who are you cheering for?
I'd say Timmy Gamboa.
I think I'm going Blair.
Blair. Blair Conklin.
What do you think about Blair's hair?
Fabulous.
Oh, here he goes. What do you have to say about that?
Amazing. Amazing.
Jack Klingman. Whoa. That was pretty cool though, right?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Who's gonna win this heat?
I don't know.
What do you guys think?
I think Blair.
Blair? Never heard of him.
Blair's gonna win.
How old are you?
7.
What's it like being 7?
School's easy.
Did you just paint all day?
Kind of.
Dang, he didn't quite land that, huh?
Nope.
Jackie boy. Whoa.
He did the Shaka. That's 10.
Shaka 10?
Yep, Shaka 10.
What's your favorite movie?
Trolls.
Trolls. Would you consider yourself a troll?
Kinda.
Whoa.
I did a nice groin something or another. Thing feels like it's a freaking like rope. He needs a groin massage. Can we find this? See, it's official. I made it. This is a lifetime dream of mine. Always wanted to be a Skim Kid press reporter.
Post-heat interview with Blair Conklin?
Post-heat interview with Blair. Blair, that was a tough heat. Conditions were not the easiest. Looked like you were struggling out there. Not your 100%. What happened? I think you're taking my spot, buddy. I think we're subbing you in, dog. I'm injured too, so this is not a good thing. I think I did a little groin pullage. I've been
Are you looking for an Advil sponsor right now?
definitely. I brought my Advil.
Oh, be careful with that.
You know, it just affects everything, you know? Still a second behind. Why did you beat him up? What happened to you? Tim. Okay, the truth behind the story. Tim Fulton, I heard, reportedly, not confirmed, let's get the story here, was giving Blair, trying to sweep his leg before the contest. Thereby, that's why Blair's got an injury. Is that the truth?
Sabotage.
It is. Yeah. Tell us the full story. How'd you do it? He was on the pier. This guy was just regulating the pier.
Pier rapping.
You seem to love the pier. The pier. It's nice. There is a big section of beach over here. Yeah. I know you're a regular fish, but
Blair doing air over there, just a frontside air. And
speaking to the mic, please. Sorry.
I saw him do a frontside air. It was amazing, and I didn't want to ruin what he already established over there.
What do you think that led to your success this heat?
Just going every time Blair was going.
And doing a way bigger turn than Hold on, Steve Taylor here. Hold on, press, okay, check. Steve, you're looking good today.
Thank you. I want to say the same.
You have some really nice sunglasses.
Thank you.
But one thing that's very important during this interview is that you speak into the microphone.
Yes, unfortunately they're not ICs. IC is a great sponsor, so I'm going to take them off because we like our sponsors. Steel Skylers, much better.
Breaking news sounds like Blair injured his groin and he's looking for a masseuse. As team manager of Let's Party, isn't that your job?
Yeah, I would do that, but you know, Blair is recently single, so I'm not sure how he would have injured his groin.
Is there a masseuse out there who knows some groin massage techniques? Blair, we can use them right now.
Anybody but my wife is fine.
Hi, my name is Winifred, head reporter for Let's Party. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Blair Conklin.
Hi, Blair Conklin. Did you catch some big air after you talked?
Yes. I got a couple big wipeouts. Big airs to big wipeouts.
Who are you sponsored by?
My #1 sponsor, Let's Party, and a couple other people, but mainly Let's Party today.
We're partying every day.
Partying every day. Yeah, we are. How hard do you party?
50 on the clock. Heat number 2.
1-5. I party.
Ready?
This has been Winifred signing off.
Sign out.
Be back.
Let me get a picture of you two. Nice.
Yeah, Winifred. God. Hazelnut and pistachio, please. Out of the comp, just eating pancakes, following it down with ice cream.
Yeah, you're making fun of me. You're making fun of me with 2 Dos Equis. You got 2 pancakes.
Well, he went Dos Equis and then chased it down with ice cream, but...
You just house that thing, it's gone.
5 seconds.
We first round clowned it, but we're celebrating like we won.
Exactly.
Oh.
This guy doesn't mess around.
Oh, you went cup?
Yep.
Not your best work.
I know I'd be that kid where like my top scoop falls off and hits the ground. I'd just be devastated.
Pigeon food. That's why he got the cup.
Yeah, Gio.
Blair suffered a devastating loss today. He's gonna hitch a ride with the lifeguards. Here, throw a little
You're gonna play football for 6 hours? tell. Oh my. We're just blocking you guys? You guys want us to move?
You're good.
Kind of in our way, dog. Go forward. It's not hot. You have to ride it backwards. That's what we needed right there.
Just a couple. Whole gamble. Eat everything.
Okay.
I don't know if I touch those feral things.
What's his name?
Don't know.
Don't know. Whoa! Oh, she's over there playing favorites, swatting them away.
Oh, I know. You know that's not, they're eating out of her mouth.
Hey, boss. What's your name?
Well, that's a wrap. I first round clowned it, pulled something in my leg, and had a great time eating pancakes and ice cream with John Helm. So we're gonna call it a weekend, and kind of a funky way to end the year, but I don't think it's a horrible injury, so we should be back hopefully in action in the next 2 or 3 weeks. That's it.
Nice to meet you, boss.
What brings you out here?
Just the beach, man. Have fun. Hang
Right
out.
on. All right.
Family. Thank you.
At least it's not pumping.
Whew, I would be real bummed if it was like all-time Balboa. But it is still very contested. There's some pretty impressive Yahir and Timmy and Tim Folk waves this morning. But yeah, it was fun to watch. Definitely fun to watch.
Sign out.
Be back.
Yeah.